Fall has a way of sneaking up on you in Oslo. One week you're holding on to the last scraps of summer sun, and the next the air sharpens, the leaves come down in clumps, and the rain feels like it's here to stay. A rainy afternoon like this doesn't just change your mood, it changes what you crave. You don't want delicate, you don't want polite. You want something with weight, something that feels like it's been simmering all day waiting for you. That's what brought me here, to Glade Gris, the happy pig. A place that doesn't just serve you lunch, it pulls you in from the weather and makes you whole again. You start with a pork crackling, you have to. It's not an appetizer, it's an initiation. These aren't delicate little crisps, they're sheets of pigskin fried to a blistering crunch, the kind of texture that echoes, bouncing around your skull when you bite down. The dip, cool, creamy, a little smoky, exists purely as a salve so the cracklings don't shred the inside of your mouth like a bowl of Captain Crunch. This is primal eating, no silverware required. A reminder that for all of our smartphones and smart cars, deep down we're just animals chasing fat and fire. Then the stew arrives, heavy and unpretentious, Norwegian pork stew, a dish born from long winters and longer nights. Pork that's been braised until it practically sighs when your spoon touches it. Vegetables that have surrendered their identities to the broth, carrots, onions, potatoes, becoming something greater than the sum of its parts, something comforting. This isn't fine dining, this is survival food dressed up for us city folk. A taste of the old country, where meals weren't plated, they were ladled, and every bite feels like it's patching holes in your soul. And because you're here and living your best life, whatever the hell that means, you get the fries. Golden, hot, shameless. Norway didn't invent the fried potato, but here they know what to do with it. These fries aren't a side dish, they're a soundtrack. Salty, crunchy, greasy background music to everything else on the table. You eat them too fast, maybe dunk them in a little ketchup, and suddenly the rain outside feels like background noise. Glade Gris isn't about restraint, it's about giving in to fat, to salt, to the kind of food that makes a cold, wet day feel almost welcome. You walk in shivering, and you walk out full, warm, maybe a little heavier, but a lot happier. The happy pig doesn't just feed you, it fixes you, at least until the next rainstorm. And in Oslo, that's never too far away.